Up and down now.
You go downward, up, down.
That doesn't hurt?
No, it doesn't hurt. You can actually put a little bit more, like maybe at, is that like 2 right now?
Mm-hmm.
Like a 3 or 4.
Wow.
You wanted to make sure that the color comes up.
Do I go right over the larynx right
Yes,
there? That's okay?
Yeah. Yeah, just make sure when you go there, you don't press it down. You kind of
Just really
lift
light?
it up.
Okay. Do you wear a mask? Do you do this? You don't breathe on people's face?
You can.
Or you just keep your mouth closed?
Mm-hmm.
Like very aware that I'm